There is a city that has been conquered 36 times, attacked 52 times, destroyed and rebuilt 7 times. And today, 3 of the world's major religions still fight over who owns it. This is Jerusalem, and its story is unlike anything else in human history. Jerusalem is one of the oldest cities on Earth. People have lived here for over 5,000 years. But unlike other ancient cities, Jerusalem never became irrelevant. Every empire that ever existed wanted it. Egypt, Babylon, Persia, Greece, Rome, the Crusaders, the Ottomans. All of them came. All of them conquered. All of them eventually left. But the city remained. The first great destruction came in 586 BC. The Babylonian king Nebuchadnezzar marched his army into Jerusalem. He burned the first temple, the holiest site in the Jewish world. He took the Jewish people into captivity in Babylon. Jerusalem was left in ruins. For 50 years, the city sat empty. Then the Persian king, Cyrus the Great, in one of history's most surprising acts of mercy, freed the Jewish people and allowed them to return. They rebuilt. Then came the Greeks, then the Romans. In 70 AD, the Roman general Titus destroyed the Second Temple. The Jewish people were scattered across the world. This event, the destruction of the Second Temple, still shapes Jewish identity 2,000 years later. Then came a new religion. Christianity declared Jerusalem sacred, the place where Jesus was crucified and resurrected. The Roman Emperor Constantine built the Church of the Holy Sepulchre over the site of the crucifixion. Jerusalem became a Christian city. Then, in 637 AD, Islamic armies arrived under Caliph Umar. Jerusalem fell, peacefully. Umar entered the city and made a promise. No churches would be destroyed, no Christians harmed. He built the Dome of the Rock on the site of the destroyed Jewish temple. For Muslims, this is where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascended to heaven. 1 city, 3 holy sites, 3 religions. Then came the Crusaders. In 1099, European Christian armies stormed Jerusalem. The massacre that followed shocked even medieval standards. Thousands were killed in the streets. Then, in 1187, Saladin reconquered Jerusalem and repeated what Umar had done centuries before. No massacre, no revenge, safe passage for all. The contrast between the Crusader conquest and Saladin's conquest is still taught in military ethics today. Jerusalem changed hands again and again. The Ottomans ruled it for 400 years. Then the British took it in 1917. Then, in 1948, the State of Israel was declared, and the conflict that followed has never truly ended. Today, Jerusalem is claimed as the capital by both Israel and Palestine. Every stone in this city is contested. Every neighborhood has a history of blood and prayer. No other city on earth carries this much weight. 5,000 years, 36 conquests, 7 destructions. And still, every morning, the call to prayer echoes from its minarets, church bells ring from its towers, and prayers are whispered at its ancient walls. Jerusalem doesn't belong to any one people. It never has. It belongs to history itself.